In this video, we will be seeing whole command.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. Someone is
Drawing a sketch first, a rectangle block, then extruding it. Now the whole command is activated. Here, click there. Now we are going to drill 2 holes on the front surface and one on the top. Clicking on the front surface, and as you can see those green dots there, those are for the horizontal and vertical direction, or you can say x or y axis. This is for vertical distance and this is horizontal distance. We want here 25, here also 25. Now we need till the next, up to next. We can also extend this point to that surface, or you can change the extension here. So as we need 2 holes in the front surface, we will be mirroring it, choosing mirror option. Selecting plane, clicking OK. Now the front surface is done. Now we will be drilling a standard hole on the top surface, clicking on the standard profile. Now it's counter sink and the second one is counter bore. Clicking on the surface. Now again you can see those 2 dots which are for vertical and horizontal direction. Now clicking on the shape. The counter bore hole is usually used to mount the punches. That's it.